All right, Ray. So I want you to take those screws out. These right here.
Okay. Yes. I'm not hold it.
All right. Sleeves. So this is the old air filter. I haven't looked at it yet, so let's see what they caught. Some leaves. Let's see the difference. Let's see if put them side by side if there's enough light for you to be able to tell. Not the worst I've seen, but definitely do. All right, the next thing for today that I'm going to do is I had a fault on the light switch. I had this thing where the window would only roll up. It wouldn't roll down on the driver's side. So I did a bunch of troubleshooting, and I found out that one of the switches was bad on the master switch. So I got a new one. I'm going to put that inside the door here real quick. But hopefully it fits. This is a cheap part from Amazon. But I do have a bunch of screws that I need to tighten up because I took a whole bunch of stuff off today. Okay. Now this gets installed to the reverse side. Let's see, does it fit? Yes, yes. That saved me $100. All right, now to put the whole door back together over there. Make sure you plug everything in. First thing. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do, once you get all the door stuff lined up, is you want to get the top of the door lined up with these metal clips, and then you're just going to do that all the way around. And after that, you're going to go through and you're going to reinstall the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like it goes down. And you want to put this trim piece back on. I'm gonna say it goes pop. Oh, it broke. Dang it. There you go. It's still good. And put your little Land Rover emblem covering the one screw. And then don't forget your bottom screws. These are almost like captive screws. Now we got a working window. I guess I should test that, right? I guess I probably shouldn't have put the entire door together before I tested that. All right, let's see if this window works. Oh, gotta put the key in. All right, let's check it out. Yay! Oh, thank God. Okay, I'd like to change the cabin filter. In my old Land Rover, the cabin filter was behind here. And there was a trick to getting the thing to come down all the way. Yeah, there it is. There's that. There it is. So you're gonna push down on these. See right here? Yeah, I don't know. You're gonna push this down. And there's the same thing on the other side. And you squeeze them and you can pull this all the way out. All right, now you see inside here, you've got more fuses. And then, get my fingers out of the way. And then up here, there's a little door. You're gonna open this door and push it, pull this, and it's gonna have to come out a little bit. So right over there, you see how it's just gonna pop out. And then this is gonna come down like that. You notice how it's got little arrows for the airflow, and you're gonna pull it out. Cabin filter's done. Okay, so what did we do today?
We fixed the little air thing.
Yeah, we fixed the air filter, we fixed the pollen filter, and you buried a skeleton.
Yeah.
So that's it for today. I knew that's it. And I fixed the door. I got the windows working. I got the put the door panel back on, and I am done with that door for now. And hopefully, I don't have to take it off again. Still waiting on parts to fix the air suspension. As soon as I get the suspension fixed, I'll take it in. I'll get it DEQ'd and get everything transferred over into my name. All right, that's it for today.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
California girls wear unforgettable Daisy Dukes bikinis on top. What you doing?